In the video tutorial, this time I will explain about if in time. Yes, we use if with time. For example, when student arrival, that more than 8 o'clock, then he is said late. When the student comes before 8 o'clock, then it says the student arrives on time. Well, now we fill in here. The formula is yes equals if, open the brackets, logical test. We choose this one. Then symbol less than like this. Then we put in time. Time formula is time. Open the brackets. Because the guide is 8.00, then we make it like this 8. Yes, the clock. I separated here you with a clock comma. Minutes and seconds are comma. Then the minute we give O. Then comma. We also give 0 seconds. Then we close the bracket like this. Next, if it came before 8 o'clock, we said earlier, is on time. Yeah. If more than 8 o'clock, we say he's late. Okay. We close the bracket like this. Next we enter. Well, here the clock is 7:12. Means here is on time. Because it's less than 8 o'clock. Now, you has to look for this bottom enough here. Direct. The mouse is like this. Plus sign in black. Then in double click. Well, like this. Late, yes, because more than 8 o'clock this too. Well, this too. At exactly 8 o'clock. Why the results are late? Because here we use the formula is less. Gotta be less than 8 o'clock, yeah. So here stay late. Well, this one. Not until 8 o'clock. For on time. It's also on time. Well, like that. So the use of if with time. This is the usage. So we can combine functions. If and time. Like this. Hopefully tutorial. This is useful. Thank you.